welcome back to another week of Techy Tuesday. Today we're going to begin a new series on Google Business Profiles, and we're going to start at the very beginning, which is how to figure out if you already have started the process, if you already have a live profile, or if you need to go ahead and create a new one. And then this process is going to be the same after you've created your page so that you can go back and edit and manage your page whenever you are going to need to. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and get onto Google Chrome as your internet browser. If you don't have Chrome downloaded to your computer, I do recommend you go ahead and do so, as it is just going to make the process a lot smoother, and this might look a little different if you are using a different browser. So once you have Google Chrome downloaded and you are signed into your Gmail account, your screen's going to look very similar to mine, and here in the right corner you're going to have a little grid. If you hover over it, it is called Google Apps. If you click on it, this is going to show you all the different applications you have access to through your Google account. If you have already started the process of doing your Google Business account, you should see here kind of in the top group of apps a little storefront, and if you hover it, it's going to say Business Profile Manager. If you click on that, it is going to take you to the pages that you manage. If you manage more than one, it is going to take you to a screen like mine where it is going to show you all of the different pages that you manage and what their current status is. So right here I can see that I am stuck. I still need to get verified, but I am good to go on my Keller Williams page. If you do get taken to a screen like mine, go ahead and just select the profile that you would like to be working with. Now, if you didn't manage more than one page, you would have been taken directly to your page and it would have immediately looked like mine does now. If your screen looked like the one before or this one right here, it means that you already have a Google Business page that is live and active, and you just may need to get it verified. You can check right here next to your name. If you have the blue check mark, this means that you are good to go. However, if you are seeing a box with this little red triangle and the exclamation point in the middle of it, that means that there is some sort of issue with your Google Business page right now. So mine is saying I'm not verified. That means that this page is not live. I can see it and I can edit it, but nobody else can see it if they're searching for me on Google. Whereas the Keller Williams Heritage page does not have any of those errors, so that I know we're ready to go. If you're not seeing any sort of editing options whatsoever, that means that you have not started your process of setting up your Google Business page, in which you will need to do so. If you do need to go ahead and set up a new page, you can just Google Business, and you're going to see Get Listed on Google. This is going to be the home page for Google Business. So it's going to go ahead and say Manage Now or Sign In. You can choose either option. Right here, since I have multiple profiles, I'm going to go ahead and click Add Business. And then I'm going to start answering the questions it is asking for. So I'm going to put in my business name, business category, and as I continue through these prompts, it's going to ask me for things like my biography, some photos, and it's going to be just setting up your profile. So go ahead and answer all the questions to the best of your ability. If you have any questions whatsoever on those prompts, please let us know so we can help you through this process. But then once you have completely gone through everything it is asking for, you'll eventually get a success. You have set up your profile screen, and you're eventually going to see what we were looking at earlier. But after you've set up your profile, there's still one more step, which is getting through that verification process. Typically, when you set up a new page, it's going to take about 24 to 48 hours for a verification to come through. So keep checking on this until you see that blue check mark and it shows that you are verified. Now, verification can be a struggle for some people as they are setting up their profiles. So if you are having issues getting your profile verified, please reach out to us so we can again try to help you out with your issue. But next week we're going to talk more about what you need to add, edit, or beef up on your profiles to help your business show up higher in search results when people are utilizing Google platforms. Thanks for tuning in.